I'm from?
I'm from Italy. What about you?
I'm from Australia, Sydney.
Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Oh, I love kangaroo.
Yeah, nice. You are beautiful, Sarki. Sari, you are beautiful.
Oh, you. Wow, I like your hair. You are pretty. So much.
Oh, fuck kore. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sari. Thank you,
And you
Sari.
speak another language.
Yeah, I speak a lot of languages. Yeah,
You speak another. No, what is your language now?
I'm actually from Nepal.
Ah, Nepal. Hi. But you live Australia.
Yeah, I live in Australia. Halka badyata. Yeah,
Okay,
I live.
teach me Nepal.
Teach me Nepal.
Yes.
म
Moi.
मुवा होइन मुवा भनेको त मम भइहाल्यो मुवा
Moi.
ओए
Moi.
बिस्तारै स्लोली ओके बिस्तारै अहिले नै मुवा म गर्न
Okay.
थाल्नु
Again.
ओके
Again.
म
Moi.
तिमीलाई
Do you like?
नट डु यु लाइक तिमीलाई
Give me like.
माया
Maya.
गर्छु
Garutsu.
Oh, exactly. Now say it together.
Ah, you love me.
मैले त्यही भएर मन पराएको मेरो कल्पनामा आज एउटी गोरी थाहा छैन खै कुन लाइफतिरबाट झरी मेरो कल्पनामा आज एउटी गोरी थाहा छैन खै कुन लाइफतिरबाट झरी रूप छ रङ्ग छ गोरो रङ्ग छ बोल्ने क्या ढङ्ग छ आहा मैले त्यही भएर मन पराएको के गरौँ यो गोरीलाई तनावै छ यो गोरीलाई के गरौँ म
Wow.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you, okay? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What is your name? Cool boy.
But listen, everybody call me cool boy. Just like you have the rights to call, you can call me Prince.
Prince.
Right? Me. Everybody like my home, घरमा चाहिँ मलाई like in
Prince.
home, my family call me Prince.
Prince. Okay,
Yeah.
everyone call me Shari. You can call me Queen.
Prince को princess हुन्छ king को queen हो Prince को
I'm a
prince
queen.
So you are a queen.
Yes.
Okay, fine. हल्का एटिट्युड छ है मन पर्यो हल्का एटिट्युड छ मन पर्यो यतिको एटिट्युड चाहिँ हुनैपर्छ केटीमा ओके सरी
He's my king. Yes.
listen one thing you are really nice okay this today is just a small teaching class Nepali teaching class afterwards
Yes.
I will teach you everything okay I will teach you you will be Nepali completely
Okay.
यो
Yes.
गोरीलाई त गाह्रै छ okay can you
Okay.
so you sing
Sing? Mm-hmm.
yeah
Yes. I can sing. Yes.
Can you sing
What
it for me?
language? What language?
English
English.
okay
Okay, I sing for you.
okay
When your life don't look like they used to before,
wait
and our clouds sweep you off of your feet, well, you must still remember a taste of my love.
Nepali sing Nepali song
Life is mine from Nepal song?
listen Gori listen
Nepal song.
yeah
Yes.
sing Nepali song
Okay.
sing Nepali song
Yes, okay. I can sing.
यो गोरीले त मनै छोड्दैन
Thank you, yeah. I get
but you at least you tried. That's make me like that is impressing. Okay, at least you try singing that song. It is impressing. Okay, it is.
Yes.
I
10
found.
on 10.
Yeah, I found this. So you are. के भन्छ त्यसलाई? So you are like I forgot English sometimes.
You live in Australia, you forgot English?
Just landed.
So
Just
handsome.
landed Australia. अस्ट्रेलियामा पो बस्छु त साथीहरु त सबै नेपाली छ नि त काममा जाँदाखेरि नेपाली सबै नेपाली छ नि त त्यही भएर हो अस्ट्रेलिया पो बस्छु भनेको त अरु सबै केटाहरु नि नेपाली छ कोसँग इङ्ग्लिश हान्नु
Hey, Prince. Can you do again? Like that? Oh.
मर्ला ओइ
Oh.
रहेछ फेरि लुक्सले त चाइनिज हान्छ त फेरि लुक्स त कोरियन पनि जान्छ फेरि कहिले पनि Okay, sorry. I need to go.